Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Huawei MateStation X all-in-one computer. So friend, Huawei has released the MateStation X all-in-one computer with a 4K plus screen, and friend, this all-in-one weighs just 9 kg and has a 28.2-inch IPS touchscreen and a 3840 into 2560 resolution with a refresh rate of 60 Hz and 1200 gem 1 contrast ratio. And friend, Huawei also claims display HDR 400 compatibility, 500 nits of brightness and 100% sRGB color gamut factory calibrated to a delta E of less than 1. And in terms of specification, AMD's Ryzen 5 5600H or Ryzen 7 5800H CPUs are all available, and friend, there is only one memory choice, 16GB of DDR4 3200 MHz in dual channel mode. And friend, storage is given by 512GB NVMe SSD, which is unusual conditioning. And friend, it has only Radeon integrated graphics, and friend, powerful GPUs want superior cooling with necessitate more space, which is little creature lacks. And friend, there are two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C connectors, one of which enable displays through DP alternate mode, and USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports too, as well as Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6. And friend, sound is provided by two 5-watt full frequency speakers and 10-watt subwoofer with a 3.5mm audio connector, 2-in-1 accessible for headrest users. And friend, Huawei provides a wireless keyboard CD33 and mouse AF30, the former of which has a fingerprint reader. And friend, the complete arrangement is powered by 384 watt power source. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.